Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vira Delia from class 7A. In this time, I'm going to present about my research paper proposal. The title is High Order Thinking Skill in Reading Comprehension Exercise on English Textbook. Okay, the first is background of the research. Teaching higher order thinking skill to students is very important in the reading skill because students need to answer reading question at all levels in reading activity. High order thinking skill consists of the top 3 domains in the cognitive skill of Bloom's taxonomy. There are analyzing, evaluating, and critiquing. The statement of the problem. The first is, how is the composition higher order thinking skill based on Bloom's taxonomy and the reading comprehension exercise on English textbook at the 11th grade of senior high school? The second is, how are the student and the teacher respond about English textbook at the 11th grade of senior high school? Next is the objective of the research. The first is to explain the way of the composition of higher order thinking skill based on Bloom taxonomy in the reading comprehension exercise on English textbook. The second is to know how are the students and the teacher respond about the English textbook at the 11th grade of senior high school. The significance of the research. This study has significance for the researcher herself as a candidate of a teacher and for the reader. For both of them, this study is expected to give broader insight or perception about the course book selection, the reading exercise, and the higher order thinking skill from the revised edition of Bloom taxonomy. Next is theoretical framework. Reading is defined as getting information from the text and interpretation. In other words, reading is ability to draw from the printed text and interpret the information appropriately. In this research, the researchers use of a textbook, according to Carney 1990. The teaching goal behind any of the cognitive taxonomies is equipping students to be able to do transfer, according to Burkhardt 2010. Next is methodology of the research. The first is research method. This study uses content analysis. The data collected are qualitative. Data source. The data in this study will be obtained from the analyzing the contents of the English textbook about higher order thinking skill in reading comprehension exercise, supported by interviews from the teacher and the student. Still in methodology of the research, next is instrument of the research. An instrument is used to collecting data. The data generated will be accurate if the instrument is used by the researcher is valid. And the instrument in the research are document analysis taken from English textbooks at the 11th grade of senior high school and the interview to get the student and the teacher perception about English textbook at the 11th grade of senior high school. Data collecting technique. The first is documentation. Documentation. It can be in the form of records and document. The document from the English textbook. The second is interview. The interview taken by teacher and the student. Next is data analysis technique. The first is comparing. The first step in data analysis is uses the checklist table from the analyze and compare the distribution of higher order thinking skill in the reading exercise of English textbook. The second is describing. The second step is describing by counts the total of every skill from the reading comprehension exercise and compares it to every level to find out the exact amount of the distribution of higher order thinking skill in the reading exercise of English textbook. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.